Uh-huh. Orientation is lock, rotate device back. Hi, Unblog, good morning. My gosh. My, I don't know kung tama itong aking, ano, naka-live si Akets. Tingnan natin kung anong tsura. Live. Family. I'm so proud. Let's see. Good morning, Ann. Ay, nako. Ba't kaya ganyan? Naka sideways. Tingnan natin to. Bakit ganon? Ayan. Pero, bakit hindi siya buo sa cellphone? Hi, Unblog. Good morning.